Can you identify these structures right here? JohnForBootcamp.com. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a dissection of the thorax and identifying some structures found within this area. If you like this video, make sure to share it with your classmates. So starting off first, let's identify some major structures found within this area. You can see this is going to be our trachea, and as it comes down, it splits into two primary bronchi, which go to either lung. Behind that, this is where we're going to have our esophagus that carries down into the abdominal cavity. We then have this artery, which has been cut right here. This is actually going to be the beginning of the descending thoracic aorta. Now, we have these vessels right here and right here, which are going to and coming from the lungs. These ones up here, these are going to be our pulmonary arteries. Now, the pulmonary arteries, these are going to be found a little bit superior. If you think about the flow of blood, remember it comes in through the superior and inferior vena cava to the right atrium, down to the right ventricle, and then that pumps up to the pulmonary trunk, which then divides into the two pulmonary arteries. These vessels down here, these are going to be our pulmonary veins. These are going to be bringing blood back to the heart. And if you think about where they drain into, the left atrium. Remember, the way the heart is positioned, the left atrium is actually located very posteriorly and somewhat inferiorly in relation to the heart. The way I think about it is the pulmonary arteries are going to be superior and a little bit anterior, and the pulmonary veins are going to be inferior and a little bit posterior. So the correct answer in this case is pulmonary arteries.